Hello families, we hope you're doing well. I have Morgan here with me to play Greedy Pig Edition, and Mackenzie's doing some videotaping for us. How Greedy Pig Edition works is, you play a total of 3 rounds. Morgan's nice enough to let me go first. So I do not want to roll a 1. If I roll a 1, it has a value of 0, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to roll the dice. I rolled a 6 and a 2. That's 8 total. I have a choice to make. Either I can write down 8 for this round, or I can roll again, because I want to keep going. I want to get more than just 8. I'm going to roll again. I rolled 3 and 6. I'm sorry, 3 and 4, that's 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. I'm going to stop at 15. Morgan's going to write down 15 for me for round 1. Now it's Morgan's turn. The reason is, if I would have rolled again, let's say on the next roll I rolled a 1, that would have given me a 0 for the round. I would have wiped out all my points. So now Morgan's going to roll. So Morgan rolls a 1. So she got 0 for that round. Now, one of the ways you can do it, make a change. You can say on your first roll, 1 doesn't count, and then you get a second roll. You also can play the game that way. So now we're into round 2. The name of the game is to add up all 3 rounds. Whoever has the most points wins the game. So now I'm going to roll. I rolled a 5 and a 1. So I got 0 for my round. Now Morgan rolls. She rolled a 1. So I rolled 3 and 2 is 5. 6 and 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 11 is 28. So I'm going to take 28 for that round. So I know I have 15 plus 28, so 38. So I have a total of 43. So Morgan knows she needs to get more than 43. So she rolled 6 and 5, so she has 11. So 5 and 4 is 9, and 11 is 20. Ooh, 20 and 10 is 30. 30 and 9 is 39. 39 and 11 is 50. So she's going to obviously stop at 50. So when you add up her points, Morgan got a total of 50. I had 43. She won the game. Now, if during the game, if either one of us would have rolled Snake Eyes, which is double 1, it actually wipes out all your points. So if that comes up, that is. The name of this game is Head to Head Greedy Pig Edition. Thank you.